Upbeat, catchy music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Narwal Freo robot vacuum. Let's call it Freo. And on the right, we've got the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo XIEBro for short. Get ready for a robo-rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Freo comes in at a whopping $1,399. Meanwhile, XIEBro is priced at a much more digestible $269. That's right, folks. Freo costs more than my entire college tuition, while XIEBro is about the price of a fancy dinner date. So if your bank account is feeling fragile, XIEBro might already be winning. Next, let's talk about their cleaning technology. Freo has some fancy features like the DirtSense Ultra Clean and Smart Swing Mopping. It's like having a mini scientist and a gymnast cleaning your floors. XIEBro, on the other hand, offers a solid 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo with electronically controlled water tank modes. It's like the reliable friend who shows up with pizza and a mop. Reviewers praise Freo for its advanced cleaning capabilities, especially its mopping, while XIEBro is appreciated for its effective suction and ease of use. When it comes to control and convenience, Freo is pretty hands-off with its Freo Mode, making optimal cleaning decisions for you. It's like having a personal butler. XIEBro, however, lets you be the boss with its Tuya Smart app and remote control. You can even yell at it through Google Assistant. Hey XIEBro, clean my mess. It's like having a teenager who actually listens. Reviewers love Freo's ease of use and smart features, while XIEBro's app control and voice commands are a hit among users. Let's suck it up and talk about suction power. Freo's got a patented high-speed spinning mop with 12N downward force that can handle anything from vinyl to marble. It's like the Hulk of vacuums. XIEBro offers 1,600 pascals of suction power with 3 levels of adjustment and a carpet booster function. It's more like Captain America. Strong, reliable, and pretty good at cleaning up after a party. Reviewers note that Freo excels in mopping, while XIEBro is praised for its strong suction and effectiveness on various surfaces. Battery lifetime. Freo doesn't brag about its battery, but considering the price, it better last longer than my last relationship. XIEBro, however, comes with a 2,600 mAh battery that offers up to 100 minutes of runtime in quiet mode. That's enough time to binge-watch a couple of episodes of your favorite show while it cleans. Plus, XIEBro automatically returns to its charging dock when it's done or low on battery. Talk about a smart move. Reviewers appreciate XIEBro's long battery life and automatic docking, while Freo's premium price suggests a robust battery performance. Special features, anyone? Freo offers 3 mop drying modes to keep things sanitary. It's like having a built-in spa for your mop. XIEBro's got multiple cleaning modes, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and can climb up to 15 degrees over obstacles. It's like a ninja that also happens to vacuum your floors. Plus, it's got a slim design to reach those pesky spots. Reviewers love Freo's self-cleaning and drying features, while XIEBro's slim design and obstacle avoidance are highly appreciated. Overall, reviewers find the Narwal Freo robot vacuum to be a high-tech, advanced cleaning solution with excellent mopping capabilities and ease of use, despite its high price and some minor issues. The XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for its strong suction, user-friendly app, and affordability, though some users have faced issues with durability and maintenance. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. Freo might be the luxury option with its high-tech features and hefty price tag, while XIEBro is the budget-friendly, reliable buddy you can count on. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Upbeat music playing. And remember, if your vacuum costs more than your car, you might want to rethink your life choices. See ya! Fade out with channel logo and subscribe button. Product links are in the description.